Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today we are going to talk about the external links. Uh, when you open a file which is having some external links, at the time of opening, you get a dialog box, something like this. Let me show you. Because I'm opening which has some external link, and that sometimes users get annoyed with this such a dialog box. Either they are supposed to click update or don't update or even simply click it. To do away with such a dialog box once forever, the toolbar which we have created for you, it has a button. If you see this button, yeah, it says kill external links. What does it does? I mean, it lists down, it goes through all the external links and start breaking them, and then you can save the file and making sure that you don't need any external link which which will invoke the dialog box which I showed you at the opening of the file. So you click this button while you are in this file in which you receive this. Okay, let me close it again and show you again so that you see. Yeah, I'm closing it. Yeah, I'm not saving it. Okay, now. Now this is my file which has all the useful tools with you. We have discussed this tool with you, synchronizing SQL Server. We discussed some other things like comparison of the two sheets, right? Like this two sheets comparison. Yeah. Now, this is the third button which we are introducing you in this session, that it will break it will kill the external links, right? So for this, you need to open the file first. Okay, so let's open. This is the file which has the external links, and the proof of this is that this is appearing, right? When you receive this information from the system, the workbook contains the links to one or more external sources that could be unsafe, right? Such a message. If you want to do away with this, you want to reduce it, eliminate it from the next time, then all you need to do is just close it. And in the toolbar, which we have provided, this is toolbar is still available in when you are opening this file, right? So what we do is you go to this button while you are inside this workbook. Okay. Now you are going to click it. So is starting working, right? And as soon as it finishes, it tells you how many external links have been killed. So it has said 10 links have been killed, and it is reminding you that don't forget to save this file. Otherwise, you will receive the same link information again because the file is not saved. Okay. So when I save it, let me save it with you, and now I close it. Right. Let me close it. Now I reopen it, then it should not display the message here. So it has opened it and not showing the message which was previously shown. Okay, so I hope you understood this very well, and you can use it. I have provided the link into this Excel file, and you can use it. And ultimately, you will be having all the access to all these tools which are uh, being developed and offered to my viewers. Thank you very much.